Hey, hey, hey. What are you doing? What? You trying to get my hair?
He's like, what's going on?
Where are you going? Can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss?
He wants head scratches. Look, he's
telling me.
Yeah, he does.
Oh my god, little baby. Oh my god. That's what you wanted? Huh? Okay, let's see.
I know, isn't he so cute?
What? What?
Oh! Yeah, give him
What
kisses.
did you baby?
He's mad now. He's mad. He's like, no.
What? What? You don't want kisses? You only want his head scratch? You're like, don't get a kiss from me, only scratch my head? If you
Meanwhile, we have Creeper over here.
Hey, if you rip my hair out, he likes to stand on my head.
I know.
I mean, like, and to pull my hair out of the ponytail. Which, I don't know why it's in a side tail right now. Hey, you! Look at the camera.
Yeah, kisses.
You thirsty? Acting a little thirsty, aren't you? Steal a kiss. Adam Galmidi. Must be Tracy.
Okay, guys, no fighting like that.
What are you doing?
That was naughty.
What did you do? What did you do? Did he go over there and touch his nose?
Oh, you didn't see?
No, I just saw him come away from him.
Yeah, and Harry gave him his teeth.
Oh no, Harry. This is your best friend.
Look how jealous he is, though.
Are you jealous? You don't have to be jealous.
Look at him looking at him.
Cody, come here. Uh-oh. Okay. Jersey wants us to go down there and get her.
Yeah, become friends with him, Harry. Sniff his butt.
Oh, okay. He doesn't want me to kiss his head. He's like, scratch it. Let's see if he does anything here.
I swear he does. That's all he was doing when I was watching my show.
Oh, you're so handsome.
Okay, say bye, Cody.
Bye, Cody. Cody, say bye.
Well, he'll learn that. He'll pick that up soon. Bye, Cody.